Hey everybody, Kenny Conklin here from HobbyLinkInternational.com, and welcome to the May YouTube subscriber giveaway. I don't know why I've never done it like this before, because it is an 11-month subscriber giveaway. So if you don't know, if you're not a subscriber, you should subscribe to the channel, because the last Saturday of every month we give away kits or paints or airbrushes or something that has to do with the hobby, and all you have to do is be a subscriber. Come check out the live streams for a little while, earn yourself some Chippy Chips. What are Chippy Chips? Chippy Chips are the currency that is on our live streams. When you watch the live streams, you earn Chippy Chips, and at the end of the month, you use those to buy raffle tickets for your chance to win one of the prizes that we're giving away. And it costs you nothing but your time. So if you haven't yet, come over and subscribe. So on to May. May, what we're giving away is Star Trek model kits. You would think it'd be Star Wars. Nah, we just gave those away. And it kind of was decided by our friend Jalen from Jam Scale Model Art, and also Mike Lawler. If you haven't checked him out, check him out. He just does some incredible 3D printing stuff. But they're both donating Star Trek kits. Jalen's giving us the Vulcan shuttle, which is really cool, and Mike is checking out a 1/650 scale Reliant, I think it is the scale, 650, but he's checking that out because he got it from eBay. He wants to make sure all the parts are there, and if they are, that's going to be in the giveaway. Now, there's only one stipulation to the giveaway. Well, one stipulation would be you have to be a subscriber, but the other thing is we can no longer afford to ship kits outside of the United States. So people that win inside the United States, they'll get the kits. Anybody outside of the United States, one, we either PayPal you what it cost us for the kit, or what we'll do is we'll get you a gift certificate to Andy's Hobby headquarters, which has a European store now, and we'll get you that gift certificate so you can pick something up. Now, Jalen's kit, she's in the United States, so that kit would stay here, and Mike is gracious enough to get that Reliant in if it's good enough, but that'll be across the ocean because Mike's from Ireland, so he'll take care of that side, so that would be a European side only. How it works is if somebody from America wins that kit, then what I'll do is like I did the last stream, I'll pay for a gift certificate here instead of the shipping. I'll see how much it is, because if shipping is not too bad or it's equal to, then we'll ship it over, but most of the time right now the shipping is more than the kit itself, which is kind of crazy. So anyway, enough rambling about that. May is Star Trek month. Come over, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and you'll have your chance to win a Star Trek model at the end of the month. We're going to update it because I will be adding a couple Star Trek kits myself. So we have 4 or 5 kits to go out there, and you'll know what they are because I'll tell you here. And also there's an article on our main site, HobbyLinkInternational.com, that'll be posted in the next few days, and you'll know what's up there. So make sure you come, you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you all soon. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Make sure you're taking care of yourselves out there and be good. Take care, and bye-bye, everybody.